Hey, what's up, everybody? I don't know, this is a boy King Spikes representing for Big Style TV. Right now we come to talk about the numbers of artists who has been killed in the Jamaican reggae music fraternity from 1970. It could be many more. My research goes at 39 artists, well-known artists, has been shot and killed. You see me? So it come like say none of them new artists and nowadays now open them eye now realize say this whole heap of violent thing in the music thing no work out at all. This one bag of man wanna have behind you and follow you. This yes man. Me hear a big American rapper masterpiece say he go start order some no man. Because he have too much yes man in the business. You need to get some no man too. If you say no, you see me, this one bag of man, 20, 30, 40 man behind, no make no sense. And 3/4 of them, you don't know them. No for you act like you a gangster in the street. You don't know nothing about in the street. You just have a bag of man who knows some man who knows some man. If you follow behind, no. You see me? You need to chat yourself by, you need to chat road by yourself. You can't follow cargo. Cargo don't have no one bag of man behind him, I just him and Mr. Clean and the producer them role. I saw no need to do it, man. This whole heap of war thing like you know a gangster. You know no gangster, you know a baby. Stop the whole heap of war thing, road boy. 39 well-known artists have been shot and killed. Some of them die killed from them own friend in the business. A full time on a set of example, road boy. And allow out the whole heap of violence and crime. The one bag of loose man won't have behind you no make no sense. You not learn. A peace and love we say no. So you don't know viewers and subscribe, just subscribe to the channel. Click the notification button so every time we put up a new video you can get it. And you don't know, big up to all massive, big up to all crew, big up to all conscious youth, big up to Cargo. Go out there now, go get him album Walk a Mile, kite and mash up the place. Heart a road.